Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pack for United Airlines. We'll cover everything from carry-on and personal item dimensions to checked baggage weight limits. You'll also learn about important packing tips and what items are restricted. This guide will help you prepare efficiently for your next journey, ensuring a smooth and stress-free airport experience. Let's get started with the basics of carry-on luggage. For your carry-on, remember the maximum size is 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches, including handles and wheels. Your personal item, like a backpack or purse, must fit under the seat, measuring no more than 17 inches by 10 inches by 9 inches. There's no specified weight limit for these, but you must be able to lift them yourself. Also, liquids in your carry-on must follow the 3-1-1 rule. 3.4-ounce containers in 1 quart-sized bag. When checking bags, the total linear dimensions, which is length plus width plus height, must not exceed 62 inches. For most economy tickets, each checked bag has a weight limit of 50 pounds. However, if you're flying in first or business class, you can enjoy a more generous allowance of up to 70 pounds per bag. Be aware that bags over these limits will incur additional fees, so it's best to weigh them before you leave home. To ensure a hassle-free journey, remember that certain items are strictly prohibited, such as explosives, flammable liquids, and defense sprays. If you have a smart bag, ensure its lithium battery is removable, especially if you plan to check it. Always double-check United's official website for the most current and detailed list of restricted items, particularly for international flights. Packing smart saves time and avoids unexpected issues at the airport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.